Hey guys, welcome back to the Dinosaur Discovery. Today I'm going to be doing a special Jurassic unboxing video. Inside of this box, there is a Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom Mattel toy. I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint. It is from the original Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom toy line, and it may or may not be a real dinosaur. Now, before I open this box, I actually got this figure on Amazon for $10, and it is normally $20. So they had this figure for 50% off, so I thought that was an absolute deal, so I gone ahead and picked it up. So guys, let's go ahead and open this box. Now, I'm going to open this box with some scissors. Be very careful when you use scissors, because you could accidentally cut yourself or seriously injure yourself. Now I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. It's kind of hard though, so I may just go ahead and skip when I go ahead and have the box open. So forgive me if the camera is a little bit shaky. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm super excited, guys. I've been waiting for this figure for quite some time. Almost there. Alright guys, let's get this thing out of the box. Yes guys, it is the Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom Superposable Indoraptor. Now, I was not expecting it to be the Dino Rivals version. I got this off of Amazon again. I did. Get it out of this paper. So I'm actually kind of glad it is the Dino Rivals one, because this one includes a collector's card. So, really happy about that. Alright, let me inspect it, make sure that there isn't any paint mistakes. It appears to be very, very good. I mean, look at that picture right there of the Indoraptor. Look at the camera focus. Very cool. Turn it around. We have the Indoraptor, and here is the collector's card. And then we have the Suchomimus and the Stegosaurus. Now, the Suchomimus, as of this video, is $10. I was considering getting this figure, but I just could not turn down the Indoraptor because I do not have a Mattel Indoraptor that is in scale with my 3 3/4 inch human character figures. So yeah, got the Indoraptor. I will be sure to put up a review of this figure very soon. So until then, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.